University Academy students, this is Mr. Goyat. We're going over Unit 7 preparation for your quiz. Here with me today is Tremaine Anderson. He's going to go over the first 5 questions or first 5 topics on your quiz that you're going to need to review. He'll also give you the page numbers for most of these topics, so use your textbook along with his lecture to inform your study for the quiz. Here we go.
As he said, I'm Tremaine Anderson, but you guys can call me the coolest biology instructor ever. Okay, number 1. Mutations is damaged or incorrect copies of genes. You can find that on page 180. Transfer of RNA, abbreviated here, acts as an interpreter because it carries an amino acid to its correct content. The insertion of
deletion mutations.
The insertion of deletion mutations, sorry for the confusion, upset the triple nucleotide. You can find that on page 219.
Yeah. Good job, Trey. I just want to make a correction here because I made a mistake on this. This is insertion or deletion mutations upset the nucleotide groupings. My mistake.
That wasn't my fault. NERM, not garden gnomes, or little things that scare you at night. NERM is a living organism's collection of genes. And number 5 is Human Genome Project. Create a map where genes are located on a human chromosomes.
Good job, Trey. So just to clarify, so we pronounce this genome. In this case, we sound out the G. Yeah, what is the genome? It is a
I like to call it NERM.
Living organism's collection of genes. So I can find out for a particular organism where a trait is in the message of the DNA. In this case, the Human Genome Project is creating that map where we can find out, let's say if there's sickle cell anemia or Down syndrome, trisomy 21, where we can actually identify in the chromosomal makeup what's contributing to certain traits, certain diseases, certain aspects of the individual or the species. So the reason this is important is as we know more about DNA, we can start to do something called gene therapy to actually correct these things. Now, gene therapy is a very early science. We haven't made a whole lot of leeway there in terms of correcting some of these ailments through gene therapy. But as far as the Human Genome Project, you can find out more about that as you continue your reading in chapter 10. And I'll have to go. Talk to you soon. Bye now. We're out.